Okay, here, for a lot of you who have bought this Chinese doors, cheaper doors, there is the consequences. Later on, you start having a certain problem. Let me demonstrate the problem for you. And I have a radical solution. Can you see that? So, you can see, let me show you some of these things here. Let me hang my camera somewhere so that you can see the difference. I've actually made a long form video about this. I'm trying to do a short one. Just a moment. Okay, here we go. Now with the camera still. You see that? It shouldn't move like that. It's because this thing here often these screws often lose over time. No matter how you screw it, most often times you can actually worn out, and when you worn out, start making that noise. But the noise is not even my problem. The real problem is that you constantly have to tighten it and loosen it. Tighten it, sorry. You can see? It will feel like it's tight now. If you tighten it one more, it over tights. So here's my radical solution. Go and drill this. Just a little. Here. Okay. This one is going to be a little bit more tougher. But if you have a drilling bit, this is not a better drilling bit for this. I have it, but I don't have the key to loosen it, so I'm gonna lose one of this one here and tighten it here. This door was a little bit better. There are some other ones that don't have wood. It's structural reinforcement here, and that is often what causes the problem. When those wood, they gave up. There is no strong wood here, it's just a soft wood. So this is literally those kind of Chinese door. See, this one has one out. I used it once and it's gone, so I'm still gonna drill here. Okay, now here is the magic moment. Now take this pin and insert it right there. I want to push it in because I want it to lap well. Okay, that's good. So if you have a drilling bit, a suitable drilling bit of this, the female size that is here, is gonna make the work more easier. That is of this size, right? You will not need to push, you just need to insert it. So here, I'll come over here too. That's the magic moment. How many push-up? Count it. The third one, it should snap. Oh, it didn't even snap, but it will snap now. Finally. Now, that's a solid work right there. Okay, let me lower this. No. Okay. Now, I'm gonna lose out the first one here. When you're watching these things, most of the times you think it's only Chinese that know how to do it, or the Western world. That's rubbish. We invented literally every shit. Insert another one here. You're gonna do this for all the doors if you want a better reinforcement. Okay, now it's inserted. Make sure that this very flat place flushes with that part there, and you're gonna be good. So it's gonna be a permanent solution, because if you multiply that by 12 that it is, this door is gonna last there so long as, in fact, near to forever, so long as there is no too much thank you, thank you, thank you, my superheroes. Okay, so let's do this one here. Thank you, thank you. Now, even if I don't want to lose out this one again, no problem, because these two are holding, but I would want to get it done once and for all, so I don't come back here any other time, start creating downtime for me when I'm busy doing my job. If you want to watch other, no, I don't even think everything is done here, so I can go ahead and increase the hole a bit. Not too much. If it is too much, the insert will not work well. So let's push another one in there. Okay, here we go. Let's see how it is. Nice. That's it. Okay, let's go up here, because most often times the weight is often on the upside. Let's go up. Okay. So first thing first. It's only this small tip that I'm using so that it doesn't get too much. So it doesn't get widened too much. You can use a power tool to tighten this, but it's only going to be a temporary measure. Hey! I'm losing this one because this one's are now weak after some months, or sorry, after like a year of usage. But you see, this what I just did right now is it's gonna ruin the Chinese market for them, because the goal is when this door get weakened this way, you either throw it out or you have to bring it out and rework it entirely. So you have to cut it in there and insert a metal that can be able to hold it and weld it before you start putting it back. But with this door is gonna last for you for years. Okay, you can see this one is worn out, just like they have been doing. So let me go ahead and widen this a little bit so the insert can get in. There we go. You see, I didn't have to struggle much. That's it. Ufeka. Coming back here. If the hole is too wide, if you created a hole that is too wide, you want to use a larger insert. There are different sizes. There are slimmer sizes, there are longer sizes. But I'm choosing the longer one because I don't want this to fall in inside really. So this should be able to get it done. Hey. So the door is now more solid than before. That shaking is no more vigorous like it used to be. It's more firmer now, it's more stronger now. Okay, thanks for watching.